This is going to be a warm start on my 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Eray with AWETUNING's track exhaust system. About 10 minutes now. This is the AWE track exhaust on a brand new 2024 Corvette Eray 3LZ ZER. Just idling. I'm not sure if the speakers on my phone can do this any justice or not, but this sounds 10 times better and much louder than the stock exhaust system, both inside and out.
All right, so we have a decibel meter here for Nate's AWE exhaust here. He's gonna fire up on his C8 E-Ray here. So here we go, guys. To say that sounds a lot better. That sounds a lot better. That AWE exhaust sounds good, man.
The phone doesn't even do it justice.
No, it doesn't. I mean, but that sounds amazing.
That was a 2K rev and then a 3,500 rev.
It was like, I think it was 115 it peaked at. We'll have to look at it, but I mean, if at full, like once we get out there, we'll get a full one at like either the gas station or Cabela's or something. But I do like the AWE there. That looks awesome. Man, those tips too. Good Lord.